Ready for alkene?
What methods?
Four methods. Okay, fine. Fine. Alkene. So we make alkene from alkyne, alkyl halide, vicinal dihalide, and alcohol, right? And alcohol. Yeah. Okay, Salman, no problem. Okay. So right next, that is the physical properties. And we will talk about the physical properties of alkene. Physical properties of alkene. So in general, it is similar to in general. The physical properties of alkene resembles that of alkenes. Okay, that of alkenes. Okay. In general, also I can write about the boiling point and the about the boiling point of alkenes. I can write the boiling point of alkenes increases with increase in number of carbons. Secondly, boiling point of alkenes decreases with increase in branching. Increasing branching. Now, we have to compare. Most important point here is the comparison of the boiling points. The boiling points of what? The boiling points of cis alkene and trans alkene. So let us look at the cis alkene and trans alkene. We'll have C, double bond C. Similarly, here also you'll have C, double bond C. And let us say you have R1, R2, hydrogen, hydrogen. Here we have hydrogen here. The hydrogen is here. Here we have R1 and R2. Okay, R1 and R2. Now, we know that boiling point, it is directly dependent on what? Is directly dependent on intermolecular forces of attraction. Intermolecular forces of attraction. And we know that in alkenes, we have electron density is more at pi bond. Yes or no? Agreed, all of you? Electron density is more at pi bond?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. That means the dipole moment will be something like this for the R groups. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So I can now. Maybe wait a second. Why does this happen? Salman, can you figure this out? Why this happens? See. Salman, can you see this page sync status? Salman, hai ki nahi? Salman, bol rahe the kya hai? Salman, are you there? Okay, he said that he will be back in a minute. He's not here, it seems. Okay, fine. So we can make the components of the vector. These are vectors, so I can make that. There is this vector, and there will be a vector downwards like this. Similarly, here also we'll have this vector, and there will be a vector downwards. Now, these two vectors, which are downwards, they are directing towards the same direction, and hence I will say there will be a net dipole moment downwards like this. If I look at these two, so the direction in which this dipole is acting, these two horizontal dipoles are acting, they are opposite, hai na? Their direction is opposite, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Opposite. Okay. Now let us look at the dipole moment in the transalkene. This will be the dipole moment in transalkene, yes or no? Correct, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now, these two are in opposite direction. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
These two are in opposite direction only. Na? Even if I make the components like this will have component here and this will have component like this. So as you can see, this is and this, these are in opposite direction. This component and this component is also in opposite direction. So the mu net, the net dipole moment for transalkene is 0. And here the mu net is not equal to 0. That is why cis alkene is polar. Rather, it will be more polar than transalkene. Now, if it is more polar, then what is going to happen? At that point of time, what is going to happen? Since cis alkene has higher dipole moment, the dipole-dipole interaction will be greater and they will have higher boiling point than transalkenes. Is this point clear with everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir, clear.
Is this point clear with everyone?
Yes, sir, clear, clear.
Okay. Now, this is all about physical properties. Let us move on to the chemical properties of alkenes, which is more important. In chemical properties of alkenes, we have a few bonds here. Carbon. There may be hydrogen bonds. There may be, let us say that this is our simple alkene, simplest alkene. So here we have a sigma bond. It's also sigma. All the CH bond is sigma, and but this bond is what? Pi bond. So obviously you can see that this pi bond will be most reactive. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
No, this will be most reactive. Why? If you remember, we have the orbitals like this. We have sigma, then we have pi, then we have non-bonding, then we have empty, that is represented by A. After that, we have pi star. After that, we have sigma star. So the electrons, they will be present in these three. So your reaction, these are the electron sources, electron source. And these are the electron sink. Electron sink where the electron goes. So here we have pi, which has more electrons, and this will be an electron source. And we can write here that alkenes contain a pi bond in which the electron is loosely bound. Okay. This makes alkenes electron source. So electron source, and that is why they will be breaking this pi bond. And if this pi bond will be broken, carbon will make this carbon is going to make a bond. This carbon is going to make a bond. This carbon is also going to make a bond. So that type of reaction is known as addition reaction. First of all, we will talk about that addition reaction only. and the addition reaction of H2 or the hydrogenation of alkenes. First is addition of H2, okay, or hydrogenation of alkene. So the same thing we have learned in which part? Preparation of alkenes, if you remember, preparation of alkenes. See, you see this reaction here, hydrogenation of unsaturated hydrocarbons. You see this reaction, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Same reaction, hydrogenation. यही हो रहा है alkene का hydrogenation. So the preparation is the chemical property of preparation of alkene. There we have already studied the chemical property of alkene. So we can directly write C, double bond C. And if you add H2 in the presence of a metal catalyst such as PD, PP, or nickel, then the hydrogen atoms will be added over the pi bond. The pi bond will be broken, and you will be getting these two bonds are as it is, and there will be two hydrogens attached on each of the carbon atom, which earlier had double bond. So CH2, double bond CH2 plus H2 is going to give you CH3, CH3. Similarly, if you have any cyclic molecule plus H2, the presence of PD, it is going to give you simple alkene, that is cyclopropane. So the pi bond is going to get vanished. The pi bond will not be present. If you have CH3, single bond CH, double bond CH2 plus H2, the presence of let us say nickel, then you are going to get CH3. Hydrogen will be added, so this will be CH2 and then CH3. Any problem here, guys? Any problem, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, simple reaction. Next is the addition of halogen or halogenation of alkenes. Addition of halogen. Or halogenation. Now in this, you have carbon double bond carbon. Simple reaction. You react this with X2, and it is going to give you both the X will be added on these two carbon atoms. You'll have here X and you'll have here X. Okay, you'll have here X. Now please remember that in this X will be equal to only chlorine or bromine. Okay, chlorine or bromine. Other reactions, they are slightly reversible here. So that is why we just have chlorine and bromine. Now, more important point is that maybe question in your exam, that this Br2, now when we have Br2 is slightly, it has some color. It has slightly brown to orange type of color it has. But when we make vicinal dihalides, when we make the vicinal dihalide, these are colorless. So Br2 has brown color. Okay, and vicinal dibromide is colorless. Now this information is used for the detection of alkene. Why? Because if I had some molecule, let us say A, and I have some molecule A, and I reacted this with Br2. So this solution was brown initially. So as soon as I added A, it became colorless. We got some molecule, let us say product P, and this side was colorless. Okay, the product was colorless. That means A had some double bond, yes or no? A had some pi bond and it reacted with Br, and there was an addition reaction that made the Br2 get completely consumed, and if Br2 was not there, so there is no question of brown color also. Yes or no, guys? You understand
Yes,
this
sir.
detection now? So you can also write. You can write here. Let me delete this first of all. You can write here. A reaction is reaction with Br2 is used for the detection of multiple bonds, not alkenes. Please remember, है ना? Triple bond हो सकता है, multiple bonds. This is important, that it is used for the detection of multiple bond. That means unsaturated hydrocarbons react with bromine, which is brown in color, to make vicinal dihalides dibromide, which is colorless. This color change is due to this color change is the this color change is the identification of presence of multiple bonds. Okay. Next is we have addition of hydrogen halides or hydrohalogenation. Next reaction is addition of hydrogen halide or hydrohalogenation. Hydrohalogenation. So this is also a simple reaction. You have C double bond C, which will have some bonds, plus you will form, plus you have HX. So what is going to happen? One of the carbon will get hydrogen, the other will get halogen, and you will be getting carbon. This is getting hydrogen, and this is getting halogen. This is getting halogen. So alkenes react with hydrogen halides to form haloalkenes. And this is haloalkene. You have added an X here. You have added an X here. So write this question. CH2 double bond CH2 plus HBr.
By the way, what is the topic again?
Addition of hydrogen halide.
Okay,
Addition
sir.
of hydrogen. Okay, CH2 plus CH2. So name the product. You'll write the name of product. Okay. You'll send me in chat. Yes, Hishma, correct. I'm waiting for some other answers also. Matthew, name. नहीं आता आपको? Nomenclature, Matthew.
Oh, name. Okay, sorry, sir. I thought it was
Name.
from other stuff.
It's correct though, but you try to name it. Yes, Samaira, correct. Yes, Matthew, correct. Waiting for others. Yes, Sarah, correct. Yes, Hamza, correct. Still waiting for answers. Yes, Khalid, correct. Hiba, correct. Okay. Okay, waiting for Zainab. Zainab has not given an answer. Samaira has given. Salman, yeah, correct. I'm waiting for Zainab's answer. Zainab. Let me know if you get the name. If you did not get the name, then we will discuss the product first. Okay, it seems Zainab is not here. Okay, fine. So all of you got the right product, that is CH3, CH2Br, bromoethane or 1-bromoethane, bromoethane or 1-bromoethane. Okay. Now, write another question. Yeah. Try to name the product for this one. So this is CH3, CH, double bond CH, single bond CH3 plus HBr, है ना? Just to write it on. जी. You have to name the product, okay? These two are same molecules, okay? दो सवाल नहीं है, एक ही सवाल है. These two are same. Are guys done? Yes or no? If you're done, please send the answer, okay?
Done, sir. I sent.
ओहो, ये तो भेज दिया बहुत सारे लोगों ने. मेरे को नोटिफिकेशन ही नहीं आया. Sad life. Fair. Okay. So Matthew, Hishma, Sara, yes, correct. Shravya and Zainab, आप लोग कब से वेट कर रहे थे? You're waiting for a very long time. Yes, Shrav. Good evening, Shravya. Yeah. Acha, you have just joined. Okay, fine. Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, I'm waiting for other answers. Sara has given, Hishma has given, and Matthew has given. What about Hamza, Hiba, Samaira? Samaira नहीं दिया, Samaira नहीं. Yes, Hamza, you're doing this question now? Hiba?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Samaira?
Yes, sir. Do.
Okay. एक ही सवाल है, ठीक है? Okay, Matthew. Are you done with the product or you're not in with the product? Hamza? Are you
Sir, I'm
writing the
sending
name?
you.
Acha. Okay, fine. So I hope all of you have got. That is 2-bromo butane. Yes or no? Right, guys? All of you got the same thing? 2-bromo butane?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. What about Samaira, Hamza, Heba, Khalid,
Yes,
Salman?
sir.
Yes, na 2-bromo butane. Okay. So I hope that till now we don't have any problem. We can attach the bromine here also. Then I will be getting 2-bromo butane. If I attach the bromine here, then also I will be getting the same thing, that is 2-bromo butane. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So when we have symmetrical
Sir,
alkenes,
what is the name for this one? The last one. I was confused with the name.
this one.
Yeah.
Same hai to, 2-bromo butane, na?
Same. Okay. Okay.
Same thing only.
Yeah, I was quite confused. Yeah.
Okay. So when we have symmetrical alkenes, na, in symmetrical alkenes, you will have no problems. For example, if I even have alkenes such as cyclopentene plus HBr, then I can attach the bromine atom anywhere, right? I will attach the bromine atom here, or if I attach there, I will be getting bromocyclopentane or 1-bromocyclopentane, no issue. But if I have something different, for example, if I have CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2, and I want to add HBr on this, and I want to add HBr on this. Now we have a confusion that I can get two products, right? I can get two products. I can either have the Br attached on the middle carbon, that is CH, the Br is attached here, and then CH3, or we can have CH3, CH2, CH2Br. Yes or no, guys? Can you identify that we can have two products? The Br can attach on the second carbon, and both of them will give me different product, because this will be 2-bromo propane, and this will be 1-bromo propane. So obviously I'm going to get two different products. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now we have to identify, we will get both the products. Now what is going to be major? Okay, what is going to be major? What is going to be major? So before going into reasons and all, I will give you guys two things. Okay, I will give you guys two things. I will write a reaction, and you remember these two reactions only. The first reaction is CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus HX. Okay, plus HX, where X is equal to chlorine, bromine, and iodine. It is going to give me both the products CH3. Acha. You have to write like chota. CHBr CH3 plus CH3 CH2, CH2, Br. This will be major. This will be minor. Okay, ये तो हमने Br क्यों लिख दिया? I am really sorry. यहाँ पे X होना चाहिए because I have taken X here. Okay. So more substituted carbon atom. The carbon atom. So when we have alkene, so this alkene is what? It is attached to one carbon atom. This alkene, and this alkene is attached to 0 carbon atom. So the carbon that is attached to more carbon atoms, that will get bromine. That is going to get bromine. Now the second thing is that I want all of you to remember this reaction: CH3, CH double bond, CH2 plus HBr. Only if you have HBr and you have been given here peroxide. You have been given here peroxide or light, peroxide or light, anything is given, then the major product will be CH3, CH, CH3 and X, or sorry, Br. This will be minor product. CH3, CH2, CH2Br. This will be major product. Yes, correct. Okay, this will be major and minor. So what I will do, first of all, I will make you guys practice a lot, then I will give you reason, because at the end of the day you have to write the products in the examination, and the reason it will be asked on its own, and a rule hai, and why is that rule, we will also discuss all of those things, but I want you to practice a lot on these type of questions. So I will give you these type of questions. First of all, write this down. ये दोनों को लिख लीजिए आप लोग, these two reactions. And this is HBr peroxide one is only applicable if you have HBr. Okay, if you have HBr. So write these two. When you have just HX, then what is major? More substituted carbon atom. है ना? You write these two. Okay, all of you wrote this, yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I have written 4 questions, A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D. Please don't write this. Okay, please don't write this. Please listen to me what I'm saying. Okay, please listen to me what I'm saying. You have HCl here. Okay, you have HCl here. So chlorine will attach on A or B. Tell me, chlorine will attach on A or B? Major product, major. A or B?
In A.
What about others? Hamza, Hiba, Hishma, Matthew, Salman. Please, all of you answer ना. ऐसे एक आदमी कर देगा जवाब तो फिर कैसे होगा? Chat में लिखिए आप लोग answer, all of you. Please write in chat. Chlorine will attach on A or B, according to what I have given you. The information that you have written just now. अच्छा, क्लोरीन और कहीं तो अटैच नहीं होगा ना भाई? वो guys are not answering यार. Please answer something. Thank you. Okay, I got the answers. Now you tell me. We have here HBr in the presence of peroxide. So Wait a second. Zainab, can you please turn the mic on? Zainab, can you please turn the mic on? All of you, please don't write any answers now. Zainab, can you please turn the mic on? Yes, Zainab. I hope you can identify there are two carbon. Can you speak? I can't hear you, Zainab. Because Zainab, I can't hear you, but still I'm explaining to you. We have here two carbon atoms, carbon A and carbon B. Now, when we have HCl without any presence of peroxide, then the major product is going to be that carbon atom which is attached to more carbon atoms, right? So this carbon atom which is attached to more carbon atoms. Now here we have A and B. Here we have A and B. Now you please tell me, Zainab, which carbon atom is attached to more number of carbon atoms, A or B? Which carbon is attached to more number of carbon atoms, A or B? A. So that will be on A we will be attaching the halogen. Hannah, Zainab, yes or no? We'll be attaching chlorine on that. Okay, fine. Now you tell me. For the B question, we have HBr. We have HBr in the presence of peroxide. So A or B, guys. Now you guys can answer. Please start answering now. A or B. Okay, I've got two answers. Okay, okay. 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 So all of you, please turn the mic on. Those who have answered, please turn the mic on, guys. Okay. So when we have peroxide, then the bromine it attaches on more substituted or less substituted carbon atoms. Where does it attach? It attached on this was
Less.
major, no?
Major.
So it attached on less substituted. Now you tell me in A and B, which is less substituted?
A.
Which is less substituted, guys? A or B?
A.
हाँ तो भाई बहुत लोगों ने बी आंसर कर दिया, क्या हो गया? Okay, now answer very carefully, all of you. Okay. A और B आंसर है ना? चलिए स्टार्ट कीजिए आंसर्स. Okay, I'm getting some answers. All of them are right till now. Correct. Very good. Thank you guys. खालिद आपको हम मार देंगे, आपको जूम में अंदर घुस के. खालिद, can you please turn the mic on?
Oh, sorry, sir. I forgot it was A.
Forgot.
Accidentally.
भूल जाइए,
B.
सब भूल जाइए आप. Forgot. Answer. सही आंसर कीजिए. हाँ. Yes. Thank you, Salman. Correct. Okay. How many of you have answered? Shravya, Matthew, Sara, Hamza, Khalid, Salman, Zainab. Okay. Okay. Hiba ने नहीं आंसर किया. Samaira. Okay. Correct. Very good. Very good. चलिए आखिरी. Tell me A or B. Okay. दो के आंसर आए हैं अभी तक. Waiting for others. Okay. Okay. हाँ हाँ हाँ. खेला होबे हो गया. खेला होबे. Okay. चलिए. Peroxide only if you have Br, only if you have HBr, only then peroxide will have any effect. Otherwise, it is same only. All of you get this, please. है ना?
Okay, sir.
है ना? HBr लिखा था हमने इसी वजह से यहाँ पे सिर्फ. Only if you have HBr, then only you'll have any effect of the peroxide. Got it, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
है ना? So you will make all the products, correct? So let me just write a few more questions. है ना? ये सारे questions तो रहेंगे ही. We also write a few more questions. That will be your homework. Explanation बाद में. पहले product बनाने आ जाए आप लोगों को. फिर तो explanation हो ही जाएगा. Write the major products for following. नहीं हाँ, write the major products for following. सही. For following. और किया आप लोग है ना. चलिए. So don't worry, I will share this, है ना? I will share this PDF with you guys. ये आपका homework है. I hope all of you can do this, है ना? All of you can do this, and we will meet on Saturday. Meet on Saturday. That उस time we will do the explanation of this peroxide effect and what happens if we don't have peroxide. So basically, we'll be doing the mechanism at that time. Okay. After that, what do we have? After that, this is the major part. After that, we have the addition of water. Then there are few more reactions. And then how many class do I need? Also analysis. I hope maybe I can do at least alkynes tak to ho jana chahiye. Then we will need a few hours for aromatic compounds. Okay. Because Saturday, Sunday, I hope I will do till alkynes. And for benzene and benzene derivatives, I can do in one class, I think. And what else is there? Yeah, I think we can do that in one class. Well, that's it for today, huh? Please